Hi, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you all, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be making goat head, popularly known as Isi Ewu. So guys, as you can see, I've already washed the goat head neatly. I'm just adding on the pot. The part I'm putting now is the side where the brain is, as we all know that the brain is one of the most important ingredients in this recipe. Next, I'm going to be adding my salt and Maggi, after which I'm going to add water and then let it boil until it becomes soft. This goat head, popularly known as Isi Ewu, is originated from the eastern part of Nigeria and is one of the most delicious meals you will find there. It is similar to Nkwobi but slightly different due to the type and part of meat being used. I decided to bring out the brain from the skull and put it in the foil you are seeing now. Wrap it very well and put it back in the pot because I never wanted the brain to get missing. So next, I'm going to bring it out, put it in the mortar and mash it very well. When you go to any joint in Nigeria, more especially in the eastern part of Nigeria, you'll be hearing guys requesting for Isi Ewu, or as you know it, goat head. So once I'm done mashing my brain, mashing the goat brain, I'm going to dissolve my oil in the pot. If your oil is dissolved already, you don't need to put it in the fire again. So next, I'm going to be adding my potash, and then I'm going to mix it up until the mixture become very, very thick. Once I'm done mixing it up to my own satisfaction, next I'm going to be adding the follow-up ingredients. I'm starting with pepper. You can use fresh if you have. I'm adding crayfish, Maggi. Maggi here is optional. If you don't like eating Maggi, don't use. Next, I'm adding salt. And then this ingredient, I've forgotten the name in my language. This is how it looks. Please, if anyone knows the name of this seed, let me know in the comment section. I would really love to know the name. Next, I'm adding the goat brain, and then I'm going to add ukpaka. This is one of the most important ingredients in this recipe. I'm going to mix it up properly. Once I'm done mixing it up, next I am adding uziza. If you don't have fresh one, you can use the dry one. Like you can see, I'm using the dry one because I don't have the fresh one. So once I'm done mixing it, I'm going to add onion and then mix it up again properly. And then finally, I'm going to be adding the goat head. Put the goat head in the mixture and mix it up very well. The people you meet in most joints requesting for goat head or Isi Ewu, as you may call it, are people that have money. This food is very, very expensive, so it's a meal for a big man. So once I'm done, I'm going to cover it for 2 minutes. Don't leave it more than 2 minutes because we don't want the mixture to melt out of the body. So guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give me thumbs up, leave good comments and share. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. All right, thank you. Bye.